Hi everyone. As we completed 4 years of value added tax in UAE, we still find mistakes made by accountants and entrepreneurs during the VAT filing. Hence, let us discuss the 5 common mistakes while claiming input VAT. Before that, let me make clear what is input VAT. The input VAT is the VAT amount that you paid for your expenses or purchase in the business transaction. To calculate the amount payable to FTA, the VAT paid on your expenses and purchases is deducted from the total amount that you collected from your customers on your sales. UAE VAT law has many laws and regulations for deducting the amount as input tax. Let us look into the 5 common mistakes done by accountants and entrepreneurs during the VAT calculation. The first, VAT paid on the business expenses can only be claimed. The VAT you paid for expenses or a purchase has to be made for the sole purpose of your business. Like for example, a purchase of a television for a personal use of the owner cannot be claimed as the input VAT. Second, VAT paid on goods sold prior to VAT registration. You might have heard that the VAT paid prior to your VAT registration can be claimed. But if the goods are sold before the VAT registration, the same cannot be claimed. It means the goods has to be there in your business during the time of your VAT registration or getting a TRN for your business. Number 3, VAT on vehicles available for personal use. Many business provide its employees with vehicle to conduct the business activity, maybe such as for sales or for the transportation of the employee from its accommodation to the office. If these vehicles is available for the employee or the owner to use for the personal purpose, then the VAT related to such vehicles cannot be claimed. FTA did not mention whether if the employee or owner has used for the personal use, but if it is available, then any VAT amount paid for such vehicles in case of repair, fuel or purchase cannot be claimed. And the fourth, goods supplied as a free of cost. Any business giving goods to its employee or stakeholders or even the owners as a free of cost, the input VAT for that particular goods cannot be claimed. The fifth and the most repeated mistake is not obtaining the right tax invoice from the supplier. A proper tax invoice must be obtained for all the input VAT claimed. You must possess the tax invoice to claim the input VAT, and not any other document such as supplier statement, notice of payment is sufficient to claim the input VAT. That's it, and thank you, and I wish everyone to have an accurate VAT filing and avoid administrative penalties from FTA.